Hi, I'm Alex from School TV. Mother's Day is coming soon, and today I'm asking students one question. What is your best memory with your mum? Hey, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Helena.
Nice to meet you, Helena. What is your best memory with your mum?
One day, my mom and I were in the car. We sang really loudly. Then she forgot the words and just made funny sounds instead. I laughed so much. We took a ton of fun selfies and made videos together that day. It was so much fun.
That sounds awesome. I love your story. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Bob.
Nice to meet you, Bob. So, what is your best memory with your mum?
Let me think. Before a school robotics competition last year, I was really nervous. But my mum supported me the whole time. She kept smiling and cheering me on. After that, we went home, ate cake, and stayed up late talking. I felt really happy.
Oh, how sweet. Mothers are always there for us in funny moments and serious ones. Happy Mother's Day to all the amazing mums out there.